I'm Jeremy Bailing, and here's how the RX Task Force is making a difference in our community.
The RX Task Force is a community coalition of people all dedicated to reducing prescription drug addiction in our community. Prescription drug addiction can happen to anybody. Wonderful people who ski and bike and run, and an injury can set the stage for a potential addiction to prescription drugs. Physical therapy can be a really viable option for recovering from injury and other sorts of pain.
As a physical therapist, there are lots of treatment options for chronic pain. Physical therapy, we get you up, we get you moving, we mobilize you. It's a patient-engaged treatment versus just take their pain meds and hope that helps. This is one idea of how to avoid the use of these long-term pain medications.
If you'd like to help, a donation to the Mark McManus Foundation can be made through the Yampa Valley Community Foundation, and that donation helps facilitate financial assistance for those in need.